Hey everyone, this is Josh from Octopos, and today we'll be taking a look at roles. We'll be learning how to create roles and what roles actually do. So, the purpose of creating roles is to assign them to your employees, and having different roles is going to help you give different permissions and grants to different employees. So, let's say you have role like an admin who has control to back office feature, all of the cashier features, and everything, but then you have ones like cashiers who you do not want them in back office, but you want those accounts to use everything that gets involved in a cashier's process from the POS tablet. So you can control different permissions and grants from roles which you create. So let's start creating a role. Start by clicking on HR, followed by roles. Once on roles, you should have option to either edit them. So you can edit the previous ones from here, or click on create to create a new one. Let's name this manager, display name, manager. So description for what the role is supposed to do. So for him, it should be make sure it runs smoothly. That's what like manager is supposed to do. You can write whatever you want. So then you have all of these permissions, which are like web permissions. That means everything related to the back office. So everything that happens from back office, you have like locations, categories, products, and stuff. These are the mobile app permissions. So print label, product details, dashboard. So let's say you have someone like uh, a s- someone whose major responsibility in a grocery store is to stock stuff. You want them to be able to print labels, add inventory, XYZ. So you can manage that from here, and then POS ones. So those are the POS tablet permissions, which usually I would recommend giving cashiers all of these because they deal with all of these a lot. So we also have a page where all of these categories have detailed information on what they are and what they do. So if you're watching from the help kit, can just keep going down and you'll be able to find the link. Or if it's from YouTube, I'll recommend going to the description where there should be a link of what all of these permissions do and what do they stand for. Once that is done, just submit right here. Click submit, and you should have a role created named manager now. Uh, that's it. Here we go. Manager gets to the description, and then you can assign these roles to different employees. That's it for this one. Thank you so much.